We are here today to witness the exchange of love between Jess and Maribel sa harapan ng altar ng Diyos. Marriage is not just a word that we use to formalize the union of two individuals, symbol of God's love. Maribel, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Jess na narito ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Kung puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
Kung puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang asawa?
Opo, Padre.
Na maging asawa si Maribel na narito ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Padre.
Kung puso mo ba siyang tinatanggap bilang may bahay?
Opo, Padre.
I pray that your marriage or your married life, Jess at Maribel,
My love was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looked worse in the light. There are so many lines that I've crossed unforgiven. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye.
kayo ba ay handang arugain at palakihin ang mga anak na ibibigay sa inyo ng Diyos bilang mabubuting Kristiyano?
Opo, Padre.
Opo, Padre.
I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight.
Bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan. Sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
And now I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight.
Isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan sa ngalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
All your hopes and your dreams, gawin ninyong sentro ang Diyos. Ang Diyos na nagmahal at ang pagmamahal ninyo sa isa't isa at sa magiging anak ninyo.
I saw you, I can never look away. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. Things will never be the same. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight.
Place of
Like
rest
daylight
and a place
is
of
golden.
strength.
Like
Face
daylight,
all
gotta step
the
into the
storms
daylight and let it
in
go.
life.